Hello together. My topic today is a scientific study of muscular strain during welding using fume extraction torches. Why is this a topic? Today, fume extraction torches are still rarely used because a lot of welders have concerns regarding three main points. The first point is accessibility. So a lot of extraction nozzles in the past were big, so the view on the weld was restricted. The second concern was the diameter of the handle. It was considered as bulky and not very comfortable to use it. And the main point, the third point, that was the increased weight of a fume extraction torch compared to a standard welding torch. In the past years, a lot of torch manufacturers have worked on these three topics. I would say today, the topic of accessibility, that's resolved and accepted. But also on the two other points, the handle diameter and the weight, a lot has happened. So today we have fume extraction torches with lightweight cable assemblies where you can decrease the weight in the range of 500, 600, 700 grams compared to an older version of fume extraction torches. So that's a lot. And also the handle diameter has been reduced, so it feels more comfortable and more balanced to use that fume extraction torch. But how can you prove this? Of course, for the welder, it's like, okay, it's heavy, it's light, yeah, it's exhausting, it's comfortable. That's not scientific. So you need to use a specific scientific measurement technology. And here, electromyography exists. So institutes like the Institutes for Sports Medicine, they use that measuring technology. And the good thing here is that you apply electrodes at the different muscles, and these electrode signals are directly proportional to the muscular strain during welding. How is that done? You apply the electrodes on altogether 8 different muscle groups, starting from the arms to the shoulder to the back. And then you do study with a group of welders. One group uses a standard fume extraction torch and the other group a improved fume extraction torch with reduced handle diameter and reduced weight. And the results were very positive. So what we could see is that the muscular strain on nearly all muscle groups was significantly decreased. And of course, later on, this could also be proved in practice. So then giving these torches to welders, they also confirmed it was much more comfortable to use these torches. They were much lighter. And so the use of fume extraction torches also was sharply increasing. For the future, fume extraction torches, of course, have to cope with an additional challenge. And that's the comparison with a standard welding torch. So the final bigger acceptance for, let's say, all welders will only come if you have comparable handle diameters and comparable weight of fume extraction torch compared to a standard torch. And the good news here is there have been some preliminary studies on newly developed torches where even smaller handles, even lighter torches have been developed. And the results show that the muscular strain of these torches is in the same range of a standard torch. And this means in future there will be no excuse for a welder to not use a fume extraction torch. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.